Let's do a friends audit, because some friendships don't end in fights, they just end up in fatigue. If you hang out with someone and they're thinking, did I overshare? Did I explain myself? Do I feel like the need to clarify every single time what my tone meant? It's not friendship. That's a post-hangout debrief. If you can't share good news without someone minimizing it, turning it into competition, or making it about themselves, and if every single conversation somehow turns into marriage talk, weight talk, money talk, or just asking questions, you're not sensitive, you're tired. Just because you grew up together doesn't mean you're meant to grow together. Because some people know you in survival mode, and now that you're calmer and quieter and minding your business, that makes them uncomfortable. And no, you don't have to announce distance. That's not our culture anyway. Distance is quiet, boundaries are silent, and peace is private. And sometimes the order is simple. Reply slower, share less, smile politely, and go home early. If this made you think of someone immediately, that's your sign. Not to cut them off, but just don't tell them everything anymore.